Good afternoon, Red Esteleta Restaurant. Joy speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to make a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Wilme Estuesta.
When would you like to book your table and for how many guests, ma'am?
I would like to book one table for on January 16 at 6 p.m.
Ma'am, where would you like to sit? A non-smoking or smoking area?
I prefer a non-smoking area with a quiet spot.
Please allow me to put a call on hold while I check the availability. I'm sorry to keep you waiting, ma'am. We have available table for one on this coming Friday at 6 p.m. May I have your contact number, Miss Estuesta?
My number is 0962-1942-279.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your table reservation details? A table for one this coming Friday, January 16 at 6 p.m. in the name of Miss Wilme Estuesta. And your contact number is 0962-19-42279. Is that details correct? Should you have any another request, please let us know.
Yes, all details are correct. I have no special requests.
Thank you very much for calling Miss Wilme Estuesta. We look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Good day, room service.
Come in.
Good day, ma'am. I am from room service. May I enter?
Yes, please.
Alright. Ma'am, here's your table. Please sit.
Okay. May I lay the napkin on your lap, ma'am? Yes.
Good day, service is speaking. How may I assist you?
Hi, I would like to order one spaghetti and one glass of water.
Certainly, ma'am. One spaghetti and one glass of water. May I have your room number and name, please?
My room number is 205 under Wilme Estuesta.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? Your order is one spaghetti and one glass of water. And your room number is room number 205 under Wilme Estuesta. Thank you, Miss Estuesta. Your order will be prepared and delivered shortly.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all.
Thank you for choosing our room service. Have a pleasant day. Good morning, Miss Wilme. Here is your room service order. Ma'am, where would you like me to set up your order?
On my table, please.
Ma'am, would you like me to serve your order?
Yes.
Ma'am, here is your spaghetti and one glass of water.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, would you like me to open your curtain to brighten up your room?
No, thanks.
Ma'am, is there anything else I can do for you?
None.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Here is your room service account.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, when would you like me to come back to clear up your soiled dishes?
30 minutes, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for choosing our room service. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.